Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. Today I have this VASTFIRE bright LED high lumen rechargeable headlamp with power bank and motion activation for outdoors or indoors activities. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, nice and durable case. Type A to Type C cable 1 meter and another cable Type A to micro USB 15 centimeter. Wow! Adjustable elastic strap, 2.5 centimeter smooth and comfortable fabric, and protective head pad around here. Fits perfect with any helmets. We can see the cable, spiral cable, goes from the batteries at the main unit. Wow, I like it. Aluminium housing for continuous operation without overheating. Temperature control system keeps light from overheating so it can run brighter and longer. Zoomable design focuses beam wherever you want it. The XHP7 LED 50 watt chip provides flicker-free and constant light, enabling optimal and safe illumination. Here we have the motion sensor mode. Just wave with your hand to turn on or off the light. I will show you later. The on-off button, you can adjust the 5 modes for the main light: high, medium, low, strobe and SOS. The other button, it is for the red light. We have 3 modes: high, low and strobe. At the back we have the battery compartment IPX4. You can just pull that and inside we can see we have 3 2600 mAh VASTFIRE rechargeable 18650 batteries. Silicone rubber around and it locks. You can remove the strap if you want. And here we have the display, volt, 2 amp with battery capacity indicator when it's charging. And of course, because this is a power bank, Type C, you can connect the Type C cable here and charge the power bank, and the USB output 5 volt. And we have the on-off button here. At the back we have the 2 modes, red constant and red flash. And we can see in the battery percentage. I like it. Definitely it will look so cool at the back of my head. And of course at the front, here it is the red light, high, low and strobe. I will show you at the night how it looks. And of course the main light, wow, it is so bright. Adjustable, high, medium, low, strobe, SOS. And to enable the sensor, on, and again press and hold the on-off button. Now the sensor is activated. So If I'm going to move my hand, it turns on, off, on, off, on. So easy. And to deactivate, just press once and it's deactivated. And again, you can use the other functions. Nice, I like it. It looks amazing. And we can see 5 volt 2 amp. Altogether, definitely you can have all the lights together on without any problem. Now let's give it a charge, see how it's charging. It is already 100%, I like that. You need a 5 volt 2 amp power adapter. 5 volt it says, already 100%. I like that, it's so cool at the back. And we can see now it says 2 amp. And don't forget, we have in this light rechargeable, the same. Micro USB. Red light, that means it's charging. And it has in this strap blue light. If you need very friendly to your eyes light at the night, for camping let's say, you can use this flashlight. VASTFIRE. Small and portable. So now let's move on outdoors and find out the brightness at the night, how it looks. And of course you can charge your smartphone, because this is a power bank with the same cable included at the box for charging this power bank, or use the cable from your smartphone. Charging, 7% right now it is the battery. 2 amp, it says here. And to fully charge your smartphone, you need 3 hours and 43 minutes from 0% to 100%. Right now it is 8%. I like the time. I didn't expect to fast charge my smartphone. It is for emergency use. You can charge any other device with input 5 volt. This versatile and powerful headlamp is a great addition to your gear, whether you are camping, hiking, walking in a low light conditions, or need reliable hands-free lighting. Throughout this video we've explored the key features of the VASTFIRE headlamp, including its impressive brightness, multiple lighting modes, and long battery life. With adjustable focus and different beam settings, this headlamp is designed to meet a variety of lighting needs, from wide area illumination to focused spot lighting. We've also seen how comfortable and adjustable the headband is, ensuring a secure and snug fit for extended use. The durable, water-resistant construction makes it perfect for outdoor adventures, regardless of the weather conditions. The USB rechargeable battery adds to the convenience, allowing you to easily charge the headlamp and avoid the hassle of constantly buying replacement batteries. Plus, the intuitive controls makes it easy to switch between modes and adjust the brightness as needed. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile headlamp that not only lights your way, but also charges your devices such as your smartphone, the VASTFIRE headlamp is an excellent choice. Its combination of high performance, durability, and ease of use makes it ideal for a wide range of activities. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more gear reviews and outdoor tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the VASTFIRE headlamp, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. May the light be with you.